In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record Etsy sales in Freshbooks, an essential process for keeping your financial records accurate and up to date. It's crucial for anyone running an Etsy shop to know how to properly record their sales, ensuring a clear picture of your business finances. So, let's get started and walk through this step-by-step process together. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Payments section in your Freshbooks account. This is your central hub for tracking all financial transactions, so it's a good idea to get familiar with it if you haven't already. Once you're in the Payments area, direct your attention to the Other Income tab. This section is where we'll be recording the sales that don't necessarily fall under your usual business transactions, including Etsy sales. Now, once you're in the Other Income tab, look for the plus icon next to All Other Income. This plus icon is your gateway to adding new transactions, and it's as simple as clicking on it to begin. With that clicked, your next task is setting the source of the income. Since we're focusing on Etsy sales, you'll want to set the source to Etsy. If this is your first time doing this, you may need to create Etsy as a new source. It's an important step because having a specific source helps an organization and in generating reports later on. Moving forward, you'll need to classify the type of income. For Etsy sales, you'll want to select Online Sales as the income category. The right categorization can make tracking and tax preparation significantly easier, so take care to choose the category that best reflects the nature of your income. Next is the important step of entering the core details, the date, amount, and payment method. Make sure your date reflects when the sale was actually made to avoid any discrepancies later. Accurately enter the amount received from the sale and select the payment method used by the customer, whether it's PayPal, Stripe, or any other option supported by Freshbooks. Don't forget about adding the finishing touches with any other necessary details. This could include assigning the sale to a specific client or adding a brief description of the sale. These additional details can provide context and might help on various occasions, especially if you need to reference back to this transaction later. Finally, after checking that all information is correctly entered, you'll want to click the check mark to save the entry. This saves your work, ensuring it's properly recorded in the system. Remember, keeping consistent and accurate records will help you maintain a clear and organized financial overview of your business. And there you have it. You've just successfully recorded an Etsy sale in Freshbooks. Following these steps will help you manage your Etsy sales efficiently, giving you more time to focus on growing your business.